Hello, this is Kanosis. I made a small hand planer and a push stick for a surface planer. At first I was going to make a hand planer, but I liked the shape of the handle I designed, so I made a push stick as well. The small hand planer can be used like a chisel, and it's cute because it's so small. I process commonly used metals with lower plates. It's nice because I can also use the original hole. A circular saw for metal was used. When I cut metal while cutting a wood, I think wood is a very comfortable and easy material to cut. The weight is almost 8 times different, and it feels like metal takes exactly 8 times as long to cut. First of all, I made a blade shape with a grinder. Charcoal stone grinder is the best for rough processing. I use a grinder that sharpens the blade. It's a water-cooled type, so we can grind it comfortably without getting hot. I tempered the edge of the blade, and I sharpened the blade once again. The size is very cute. Pick a wood to use and hold the basic shape with a bandsaw. I leveled the floor using a disc sander. Cut 25mm wide with a bandsaw. Now it's sanding. I also used air sander and mainly used spindle sander. Lastly, it's good to do it manually with sandpaper. I really like the refined shape. I make a bolt to fit in the planer's blade I made. The bolt was fitted to the hole with a drill and Milwaukee sander. Drilling a hole in a duckling. How cruel. Since it is in the shape of a handle, the hand was naturally placed under the drill. It looks dangerous, but it's safe because I take the limit on the drill press. But that's an undesirable attitude. I feed the duckling because I feel sorry for drilling a hole. It's a linseed oil. Deep colors are revealed. I filled the floor with bolts and finished it. It's the smallest and cutest tool I've ever made. That's it for the work, but I love the shape so much that I also made a push stick for a surface planer. This time it's a mother duck. It's big enough to hold a duckling. The process is similar to what it was before. Instead, I put the board on the bottom and sandpaper on the floor to prevent the wood from slipping. The wood does not slip even if I don't put a stopper on the back. Doesn't it really look like a mother duck and a baby duck? I think it's my first time making a pretty tool. Oh, there was also a Minions cart. I think it would be good to give a story to your work as well. If you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.